Yes, it
I
was
don't
good.
know what I don't know what everyone was saying, but everyone was smiling and showing their faces. That's it.
Okay.
Chetan is in. Hello, Chetan.
Chetan is playing with his screen, I think, mobile and laptop.
Oh,
He's
so
also
I'll
like
No,
connect.
yeah,
second MOD.
actually my internet playing with me.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a
Chetan
tough
doesn't want to
thing.
come in front of anyone because he says that I'm very I mean more fatty as earlier he was fit as per him, but now he's more fatty, more with more weights.
During his lockdown.
Yes, but Chetan, that doesn't matter. You're a
Exactly,
good guy.
that doesn't matter. Let
Th-
let me turn on my camera,
yes,
and
yes.
then you will get confidence that yeah, people are worse than you.
Okay. So now over to Vivekanand Tiwari as he's the MOD for the day. He will be going through
Yes.
the entire session, and I'll be taking care of for now till Anup will not come. I'll be taking care of timing as well, apart from evaluation, and also enroll myself for prepared speech. Yes, Vivekanand, over to you.
Eh, Thank you, thank you. All right, let me first. Hello, everyone. Let me first introduce the agenda for today. So, before I start reading the PPT, which is, I think, shared with almost everyone. So, opening. Now, before that, let me introduce about the roles which everybody has to play now. Since Mukesh already mentioned that I would be the MOD, which is an abbreviation for Man of Steel. So, which pretty much I am. And now today, evaluator would be Mukesh, and along with that, Mukesh has got one more responsibility, which is prepared speech, which is shared with Ajit. So he also has a prepared speech with him. And then we have Chetan, who is our topic master, who is gonna give us topics. So, and for each of the topic, we will have to speak for uh, 2.5 minutes. And Vinay would be our grammarian,
Thank
and Anoop would be the timer, and Ranjit would be the filler counter. So these are the role. Now, before we start with playing with the role, and first of all, the prepared speeches, I want to tell you a few things about the do's and don'ts. We have already discussed about it in our previous couple of sessions, but it's like, national anthem, which we have before national anthem. And in national anthem is something which we used to sing before we in our schools before we go to attend our classes. So this is our like our national anthem. So do's are like everyone is responsible, and we need to understand that this is an open forum. You have to speak your mind, and no Hindi words are allowed. No conversation over sex, religion, or politics. And yeah, feedback which has to be shared by everyone. Anyone can pitch in and share the feedback, but make sure that you're not overlapping with someone else. Like if someone else is saying, you can raise your hand and then speak when you get an opportunity. And I assure you, when I am MOD, everyone will get the opportunity. So on that note, let's start. Mukesh, over to you.
Yes, so our first category will be freestyle conversation, and as the theme is today, addiction of TV, benefits of TV addiction, right? So, have you prepared something? I think, right? When sorry, I get confused for both of you. Vivekanand, yes. So
Yeah,
you
Vivek.
have something
Thank
for
you.
today for theme, right? So you can go.
Sure, sure. I would like to introduce this topic, uh, TV addiction benefits. So, first of all, addiction, we have always heard this word in a negative context, like addiction of anything is bad. So, I tried to, use this word in a good way. Like addiction could be good, provided we know how to channelize it. So TV addiction, which generally is considered bad, but I want to know if anyone is have any opinion on this, like if there is any benefit which they can point out from TV addiction. For like for example, let me start by saying, uh, when I was in school, I did not watch much television. There were multiple reasons, and but later on, I tuned on to television and followed it religiously. So the initial, the initial seasons or episodes or series which I followed was Roadies. I'm not sure if you guys are aware about it. So, Network Roadies, it's famous for made by Raghu and Rajiv. So the thing which attracted me to have was the balanced ways of abusing anyone with full authority. There's a famous line from Roadies which says, "Roadies banega tu, Roadies banega." So I did not want to follow that rude temperament, but before that, I was always being like defensive, soft-spoken type of person. But then I realized that okay, I can be authoritarian and say what I have to say without hurting anyone's sentiments, which matters the most. So that is one thing I learned from that series, and after that I followed couple of seasons, like five. I started when it was Rodi season 5, where Asutosh was the winner. Then I sixth, then seventh, and after that I grew up and the roadies was still the same. So there was nothing left for me over there. So I quitted. Then I switched to Big Boss, and again I learned something like even no matter how fashionable you are, how educated you are, how glamorous you can still be an idiot. And when it comes to daily chorus, so I realized that okay, being decent and being humble is not anyone's speciality. Anyone can be indecent, and when it comes to speaking mind, anyone can say anything. So we should not expect like okay, these are high profile people, so they are supposed to be decent, which is our general observation in most of the time. But no, that is not the case. So I think these are the few benefits which I learned, which I got from my addiction, which is TV addiction. And lastly, I would end up by saying that I'm not sure if you guys know, but TV is also called as idiot box. So yeah, definitely there is a reason for saying that. But yeah, it all melts down to how we take it and how we use it without abusing it and understanding. So that's all.
Thank you so much, Vivekanand, and you shared a lot of good contents. And yes, it is good to being addicted of television, and we can get so many benefits. As nowadays, being addicted of television is much better than mobile, I would say, because
Oh yes, anytime.
okay. So I think, guys, now we are going to our next category, which is uh, freestyle conversation. So this is the theme for today. We will discuss about addiction benefit of TV, or we can also discuss any harmful effects of watching more televisions or being addicted of television. So who will, who is gonna start first? Who's going to start first?
Okay, so before anybody starts, sorry to interrupt, Mukesh. I would like to point out that we have to share the benefits only because
Okay.
that's the topic. You have to share
Yes,
the
yes.
TV addiction benefits because
Okay.
it's very easy to criticize. We are like, we know TV is very bad, but that's the point. We have to say something which we don't know.
Okay, okay. So
So
that
think in a
that will,
different way.
yes, yes. That makes a sense. We will go according to that only. So he's going to start first. So we have 15 to 20 minutes for freestyle conversation. Anyone wants to come first?
I want to speak.
Okay, thank you, Ranjit. Let me start the timing. We can
So,
start now.
uh, yes, TV is a good habit we can say in some time. If the benefits of TV is if you are watching news, you are updated with the daily controversy and daily social medias and daily politics news with our nation and all over the world. and after there is a option to choose entertainment. You can choose entertainment, some serials you can see, like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. It's good serial, I think, and some other serials also. So TV is good sometime. If you are feeling bored, you can see the TV. You can watch some funny serials like Kapil Sharma Ka Show and many other serials there is, and also you can watch some movies. So this is beneficial sometime. Uh, that's it.
Thank you, Ranjit.
okay, when we talk about addiction, so sometimes addiction would be good and sometimes addiction would be bad. So if we talk about TV addiction, so there is some bad thing also, or there is some good thing also. If we are doing over watching TV, so this is a bad thing for anybody. And if we are watching and learning something, so this is a good habit for everyone. So like we can say that if you all heard about a movie that Darshi Lati is something kind of movie which is played by Ajay Devgan. So there is a story of a person who watch only TV for whole the time, and he is learning so many things. So he developed his mind like a detective. So he solved so many cases. He done so many things with his family and doing very professionally by learning by TV. So there is a good thing also from TV. So we can say that if you are learning from television, broadcast TV and everything, so there is a good thing. And if you are not learning, you are just entertaining yourself. You are wasting your time by watching TV. So this is something I want to share.
Thank you, Vinay. Okay,
Well,
I'll share my views about
yeah.
benefits of television. As
Mhm.
when we first time we came into Delhi, I was, I mean, around 7 8 years old, with my younger brother, my elder brother and younger sister. I mean, we have 5 members in my family. Earlier now, it is about, I mean, our initial stage when we came to Delhi. So at that time, it was very kind of uh, struggling. You can say struggle time or whatever you can relate with it. So at that time, we had no television at our home, but yes, we used to watch Shaktiman, as it was scheduled on Sunday, I think. So, and my father, actually, he is very strict person. So he did not. Ranjit knows very well. Ranjit and Ajit knows, because
Yes, yes,
we know
yes.
each other
I
from
know.
our childhood. To watch Shaktiman television, uh, we used to beg him that my mama asked him to let them go. And neighbors, they're allowing to watch television Shaktiman. So we used to go after a lot of chores and sifaris, a lot of bargaining with parents. We used to watch Shaktiman, Aryaman. So, and that was a good thing. I mean, I can say, watching that was the first serial, Shaktiman, which taught a lot of things to us. How you can be fit, how you should live in your day-to-day routine, how you should behave to each other, what things. If you remember, I think this is the serial which can be viewed by any of age group. It could be viewed by any, I mean, toddlers as well. You can say adults, also our old family. They can also watch Shaktiman. Even now, everyone tries to find on YouTube who is very much into Shaktiman. That is there any new thing coming for this? But it has. I mean, it was stopped. I know why it was stopped. But we are talking about the benefits of TV. So yes, we were getting a lot of benefits by watching this particular serial only. We used to watch Alif Laila as well. It was scheduled at night in I think 8 p.m. on DD National. So at that time we had no cable also. We were only watching DD National 1 and 2 channel, DD Bharati. Benefits, we were getting so many benefits. We were learning whenever we were watching any series or episode of Shaktiman, we used to apply that instantly. For example, if Shaktiman is saying you should play football, uh, you should play table tennis, you should play that kind of a game, you should play those games or that kind of games which will involve your physical activity more and more. It could be football, it could be table tennis, it could be cricket, it could be anything, and it also enhance your immunity as well as you will be fit, you will be active, uh, you will feel energetic by playing such games because it is also a kind of exercise. So this is all about the Shaktiman series. But when we grown, we were able to purchase TV. We started learning and we started earning money as well. We started watching Discovery channels. With Discovery, there are so many things we can learn how wildlife goes. I learned so many things. Even we learned those things as well in Doha's Hindi poetries as well as one of them I will share you. If he wakes up in early in the morning, he'll have to work daily for your food and for your work, right? The same way, if there is a lion which to whom we say king of the jungle, he also needs to wakes up in the morning and he also find he also wakes up in the morning in hunt of his food. If he will not try to get it, he will not get it. At least you will have to try. Whosoever you are Ambani, you are a middle class family man, you are a billionaire, you will have to work. You have so many still again, if you have many servants, then also you'll have to work. You'll have to at least raise your hand, you'll have to use your hands to eat the food. So these so many things we learn through television only. And nowadays you can see being television addicted is much better, as I already explained before this conversation. It is much better to being addicted of mobile, because in mobile now it is a kind of very addiction object. It is nowadays you can find any age group of any person from any age group, everyone is being and getting addicted of mobile. So I would say instead of getting addicted to mobile, it's good to be addicted of television, because mobile it affects a lot of things in our body, in our eyes. It also affects our mental health as well, as with false social media videos and all. It also destroys a lot of time. It ruins your daily routine, because I know there are so many people, they don't have any work, but they are awake till 2 a.m. 3 a.m. In the morning, and they says I don't have time to meet my friends. In our days when while we were at that time smartphone was not in India. On those days, I know I was working with Magus. Again, I'll share that company's scenario. We used to be a good friend in our cabs, because we had no smartphones. So we used to be a good friend because we had time to talk to each other, to leg pull off each other, to do conversations. But now you can see, if you are going in a cab, even if a team member from your same team, if a member who is traveling with you and he is also from your team, or maybe he is from different team, you would not know him, because he's or you are too much into mobile. But if you are TV addicted, you will not do this. You'll think about TV. When I will be having time as per my daily schedule, then I will watch television. It could be news or any serial, anything. So yes, from my point of view, there are so many benefits being addicted of television. So be addicted. So it will also save your time. It will also taught you how to manage your times, because with television you can watch anything as per their particular time. But nowadays what is happening, we have smartphones, we have OTG platforms, we can watch anything, everywhere, anytime. It is also a good thing, but important is our time. It is also destroying our times. It is also destroying our relationship with our family members as well as our friends. So that's all from me. Over to you, Vivekanand.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mukesh. I really liked when you said that when we are on cab and we most of the time people use mobile phone, they don't talk with each other who is sitting next to them. They rarely know about other people. And you know the irony is the invention of mobile was to decrease the distance and make people more connected with each other. But the tragedy is that people are more distant now with the presence of mobile than they were before. So yeah,
I
that's
want
right.
to add
I
one more point. People are not restricted. Even people do not want to talk with each other, or you can say there is no real life or original life is here. Everybody is busy in mobile and TV and all social medias, but nobody is connected in the real life. So
correct.
that is the main tragedy, or you can say the destroying the basically real connections. So this
Right.
would impact every time, every day, and every for the future as well. This is very bad.
Right.
The physical connections are destroyed,
Yeah, due to
and
Corona.
everyone due to mobile also.
All right. So next in the free speech is we have anyone can say anything. Vinay is very silent. Chetan is very silent. So you guys say something
Guys, we have eight
about this topic.
minutes
Yeah.
more. We can discuss a lot of things.
That I think
Utilize this, guys. Mhm.
Actually, I wanna say something about the topic that we have, that is the addiction TV benefits. So
Benefit.
as per my yes, as per my opinion and thinking, it's very hard to find out any benefits of any addiction. So I'm agree with Vivekanand earlier said, when we talk about addiction, so addiction to anything which is not good. So and here, so that's why it's very hard to find out any benefit of TV addiction. And one more thing, as Ranjit and Mukesh said about the series of Shaktiman and Tarak Mehta. So this is the choice of viewer, what they want to see. But if you addicted of watch the television, doesn't matter what is running and what is playing on your television, you just still see and change the remote button. So and also it's definitely it's not a benefit for us, it's totally wasting our time. And somehow or after some time, you feel you are not watching the TV, even TV just using you for changing the channel and whatever uh, uh, I would say show as per their whatever showing on the television, you just change and see. It would be showing like a new any news, any serial, any song, devotional, whatever is running in the television, you just see. So this is the addiction, and I again I don't think so. Is there any benefit of TV addiction? So this is from me.
Thank you, Chetan. Thank you for sharing your opinion. Now, adding to that, uh, I think somebody has turned on the speaker so I can hear my own voice. All right. Nevertheless, so Chetan, as you mentioned that clearly you said that you did not find anything good or any benefit out of this addiction. So I agree with you because addiction has always been associated with a negative word. It's a negative word. Addiction is bad. It's been said. So that's why I wanted to pick this topic, like benefits of addiction. So in series to that, I will give one more example, my personal experience when I was in like 10th or 11th, when world was full of vision and bright, I was like, I was envisioning that I can do millions of things. I can be doctor, I can be engineer, I can be pilot, I can be XYZ. So basically, my child mind was free to imagine anything. and I was free to understand that anything is possible. So, and at that time, what I used to do, I am from a very small town. So the town, when I say small, it's not only physically small. The routines are also very small. Like um, uh, everybody used to wake up early at 4 o'clock and goes to bed at around 8 or 9. And I was a night worm since then. So I used to study whole night, and since I was awake alone, so I was getting very scared, and because the atmosphere was very spooky. I was from Jharkhand, so it was trees all around, and you might have heard that when air passes through trees, it makes very scary noises. So in order to avoid that, what I did, I used to turn on television. So throughout the night, the television was on by my side in mute, and then I used to study or read or do whatever. So yeah, I used that addiction as a benefit for me. So yeah, Vinay, would you like to add something to it?
No, because I since so long I didn't watch TV because my two sons, they whole time they are watching their videos, cartoon videos. So I don't have time to watch TV. I just put videos on my mobile. I didn't have something to say about TV, television. No.
I want to
So
add some points. That
yeah.
is, yes, do not correlate the TV and the social media with your life. These are not these are not addiction. You know how much time you are watching TV, how much time you are spending time on social media, Facebook, whatever the social media app is. That is the addiction. And in terms of using or spending time, if you are watching something which is related to your career, to your goals, that would be better for you. But apart from that, you are using your net, or you spending your time with very wrong and very dirty things, like, so this would impact your so yes,
Yes,
waste your time.
you mean being addicted, but for good things.
Connected with a limited time, with a
Yes, yes.
limited knowledge. Spend your time on those things. Those are related to your jobs, your career, your goals, your positivity. So this really
Uh, I think everything is good if you're learning by that thing. So this is my
yes,
point
yes,
of
you're
view
right, you're
about
right.
it. Yes. Because I can say that my 3 years old son, he talked to me in English, and he's learning. I mean, he's getting so many words of English word which I even don't know about that. He suddenly said that, Daddy, you know the Sandcastle, and I was that time I was shocked that what is Sandcastle. So I realized that TV is also making learning him. So
Yes.
this is a good thing also if you are learning at, at this
Actually,
point.
I want to share my some professional work here. That is 1 year. I think more than 1 year. I was not able to speak in English, very honestly. But as I joined company, current company, Siren Labs, my senior manager, my manager, they were sitting with me in right and left, and they were always talking with the clients, and I just hear them, and I can get very positivity and very knowledgeable things from them. So I have to start in English, and today almost talking to you. Not very well,
I
but
know.
yes.
Thank you, Ajit. We have Anoop on the line. Hello, Anoop. We missed you.
Sorry guys for being late.
Anup, you're late and you'll have to pay some penalty. Not in manner of
Yes.
money. We will tell you. We will tell you what penalty you will have to.
Sure, I am ready.
Okay. So I think we have utilized out of 20 minutes, 19 minutes, 33 seconds for freestyle conversation, which is within time. And we have already shared, we already did conversation with a lot of good contents, good thoughts about benefits of TV addiction. So Anup, you can take care of your timer role. I have noted till freestyle conversation. and I have already shared you time limits for each and every role player, so you can work according to that. Okay, over to you, Vivekanand.
Could you please
Yes,
brief
yes.
to the time?
Time I have already shared you. If you want, I can share it you again. Okay, if you want, quickly I can give you for prepared speeches. It is 3.5 to 5 minutes. Okay, so we have two prepared speeches, me and Ajit. For topic master, it is 6 to 7 topics. It is not a time limit. It will already be managed within the time. For you, while you will be presenting your report, 2 to 4 minutes. For grammarian, 4 to 7 minutes. Ranjit filler counter, he will also get 2 to 4 minutes. And before that, I have already noted the time limits. I will share it with you. Okay, over to Vivekanand. Thank you.
Thank you, Anup. Thank you, Mukesh. So Anup is now informed about the timing. So before we jump into the next thing, which is, I guess, prepared speech, Mukesh.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So before we go there, I briefly want to inform Anu what we all did. So today's topic, as you might have seen the chat, it was TV addiction benefits. So everybody was sharing their opinion, like what they think, is it addiction good or bad? What are the positives? How it is beneficial, how it is harmful, what are the shows they watch, like Mukesh mentioned about Shaktiman and Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. So yeah, we discussed all those things. So now we are moving to free speeches. So Ajit and Mukesh, they both will get 3.5 to 5 minutes of time for free speech. So who's going to start, Ajit or Mukesh? I guess Ajit, after turning on his camera.
No issue, no issue. I'll talk about the. So first, I'll tell you my personal professional life and the work experience. I think I have already covered in the first session, but no issue. My name is Ajit and I am from Andhra Pradesh and I've been living for 1993. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
That is another
Just don't
reason.
make the noise, bro.
Yeah.
Work
So,
from home.
okay, so I have completed in my educational, that is, I have completed my BCom honors from Shahid Bhagat Singh University, 2015, and I have started my career with IBA Craft Private Limited. It was an e-commerce company. I was working as a associate over there. I worked on basically getting the raw data and just finalize the raw data and uploading on the Amazon UK, South Africa, Mexico, Canada side. After 1 year, I switched my job to Web India Private Limited for the UK based analyst. And over there, I've been working as a finance associate. I was working on the budgets and the forecast, variance analysis, trend analysis, these kind of the account, the basically modeling and management. And currently, I'm working with Serena Labs Private Limited. Here, I'm working with associate economic management, basically analyzing the raw data, analyzing the performance, getting raw data from different multiple suppliers. So just analyzing as per the SLA, service level agreement, and the KPI, and then achieving a target. If they are not achieving, there are basically two clauses: one back and the credit. So we will apply those clauses. And recently, I am going to join another small MNC company. I'm not telling the name first because I'm not going to join. Yes, and my personal, that is, we are 5 members in our family. Mom, dad, and two brothers. I'm the middle one. This is the whole life. Anything else you want to add? Or I have to tell you something else?
Hobbies.
Yes, I like cricket.
Watching or playing?
Only cricket. I am not both watching or playing both. And the cricket, I think I had seen a video of related to cricket players. I think the richest person of richest cricketer in the world, that I think First is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. After that, the Virat Kohli. 2100 crores brand value Virat Kohli has, and it was amazing. I mean, I have nothing idea that cricket can give you that much of huge money. This is worldwide famous. I like cricket playing and watching.
Great, great. But let me tell you one more thing about the brand value. Brand value is not it's your not your net worth.
I know.
When you say
Brand
it's, yeah, that's different from your net worth.
obviously brand value is already obviously covers in your the value, in terms of financial. So
Yeah.
this is already, it's a kind of goodwill, you can say,
Yes.
right?
Market value.
Yeah, market value, yeah, right.
Yeah.
So
But
this is all
adding to that, Virat Kohli has also one more thing which adds to its brand value is his wife. So most of the time Anushka Sharma, she's also a very she has also got a good brand value, and she's very famous and rich, and yeah, she's a producer, actor, philanthropist. So yeah, that also adds to the total brand value of Virat Kohli.
he's very clever.
Ah,
He's
yeah.
not he's a batsman, he's a clever man also. So thank you. This is all from my side, and moving on to the Mukesh Kumar.
Perfect. Perfect. Before Mukesh starts, I'd like Anu to, let us know how you are showing us about the time limits. Because throughout Ajit's speech, I did not sense any way you were indicating like he is within the time or outside the time.
At least 3 minutes. That's not.
Uh, yeah, actually, I will raise my hand according to time limit. Okay,
Okay,
and
so yeah, like within the
yeah,
time.
according to right now, Ajit has taken around 4 minutes 11 seconds.
Anup, you
So
should. Sorry to interrupt you, Vivekanand. Actually, Anup, you should raise your hand if you do not have cutouts. For example, if 3.5 to 5 minutes, then first you will have to raise your hand when it will be 3.5 minutes. You will have to raise your hand for 5 seconds. Then I will raise the flag because I think it will not look appropriate to raising your hand for 10 seconds. Okay, but if I forget, then I'll say so. Please continue. You can raise your hand continuously for 10 seconds, and then when it will be 4 minutes 30 seconds, then you can raise your hand again. And third at time that will be at final time 5 minutes, and that time the person who is speaking, they can get 10-second grace period. It means if it's 5 minutes over, I can also utilize 10 more seconds. That will be fine. After that, it will be disqualified. Okay, so I think Ajit has already spoke within the time limit, so he's qualified for this. Okay, over to Vivekanand. Sorry.
Okay, so over to Mukesh.
Okay, so
Your free speech.
thank you guys. As today I'm going to break the ice. Today is my icebreaker first speech, and as I already introduced about myself by multiple times, I'll introduce you a lot of things. Apart from that, uh, as I'm already working in Bank of America, and many of my friends and colleagues, they know me very well. I'll brief about me little bit. So my name is Mukesh, as you all know, नाम तो सुना ही होगा. And I'm 34-year old, but it doesn't look like 34-year-old man. And I'm a graduate. I'm pursuing PGP program from Simply Learn University in data science, and I'm very good. I mean, I'm too much in learning new things. I like to learn new technologies, new things, and I'm very good. I mean, you can say it is my interest or hobby to learn and enhance my earlier skills which I have. I'm also good in sports. I like to do boxing and all. As when I was in 10th, I was in boxing sports. I also won 3-4 medals, not international. Delhi state level and state level, I have won 3-4 gold and silver and bronze medals. And yes, I'm very good fond of physical activities. like to to go to gym. I like to run more and more. I can run about 1 hour regularly on daily. I mean, I have good stamina. About if you talk about how long I can run. So this is all about my personal. Okay, let me share you my few views about which will help a lot to all of you. So I'm going to do an activity, and you can guess what I'm doing, and then I'll talk about it. So for example, I want to be a fit man with six-pack abs, but I am not able to deliberate it without so many reasons. I don't have time, I don't have money, I don't have partners who can do exercise with me that will be good for me. I want to be a rich guy, but my luck is very bad. I'm not able to get anything in a good way, in a positive way. I want to buy luxury cars. I want to buy luxury bungalows and cars, but I'm not able to purchase it. I think I wish I could get a lucky draw of I mean million and billion dollars money. So what I'm doing, guys, now, as I shared, see 2 3 things. What I'm doing right now. Can any one of you guess what I'm doing now? You're on mute, Ranjit.
You are only
You are
thinking
doing
about that.
Sorry, what you're saying?
You are only thinking about that.
Yes, exactly. Actually,
well.
It's
I'm
like to
wishing.
be rich.
Yes, Vivekanand.
And also you are trying to do it, but the circumstances like very
Yes, actually, in
I
that
think you are
scenario,
planning very good for that.
that's the fun factor. Yes, exactly. Actually, the thing what I want to share with my these examples, even it could be me, you, anyone. We want to achieve a lot of things in our life. We want to get so many things. We want to get fitter. We want to get best things in our life, but we're not doing anything to achieve it. As I can see, there are so many friends who calls me, please help me for a good job. I don't have a good job. Then what should be your answer if a person is asking for a good job? For me, I answered him. I answered them that, bro, I can help you, I can recommend you, I can guide you. Even I'm ready to give you time personally. Whatever possible for me, I will do it. But first, think about you. Are you ready for it? If I'm ready to give my time to you. But are you ready to do it? I mean, are you fully mentally prepared that yes, I'll be doing it, and yes, I will prove it, and I'll achieve that goal. At least you should try. For example, a friend who want to, now I don't have a very good physique, but yes, I am good. Earlier I was with a good body, good physique. I'll again start gymming and all. Many of friends, they said, I need to body like you. I need to I want to make a good body like you. Then I said, bro, I also want to make a good body like him. Okay, but what should I do? You should be prepared mentally before doing anything. So that's all about my motto, my views, my personal views, and you all know me very well personally. I think it's been 4 5 weeks. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Over to Vivek.
Thank you, Mukesh, for your inspiring speech.
So we have
Thank you,
how
Mukesh.
much time I utilized, Anup?
You used 5 minutes 20 seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds over. Oh, I need to take care of it.
Okay. All right. So now, quickly we will move to the table topic section. So we have our topic master Chetan. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. So let me quickly describe what's going to happen. So everybody will raise his hand if they want to be picked for this topic. So they will give Chetan will give them a topic, and they will have to speak on it for 2 to 4 minutes. Right, Mukesh?
Yes, yes, 2 to 4 minutes. No, no. For
Perfect. And
Chetan, there is no time limit. 2 to 4 minutes for filler counter for timer when they will be
yes,
presenting their reports.
and the speaker who would be speaking on this table topic. So they have 2 to 4 minutes, and Anup would be is our timer for the day. So he would be indicating us about the
Okay,
timings.
okay. So, sorry, Vivekanand, I forgot to mention the time limit for topic master. It is 1 to 2 minutes. I mean, for any particular topic, it's 1 to 2 minutes. So, Anup, you will raise your hand after 1 minute, and after 1 minute 30 seconds, and 2 minutes.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Perfect, perfect. Now over to you, Chetan.
So guys, raise your hand. Who will go first?
Me. Sorry, I have to change the setup.
Okay.
because-
Choose the number from 1 to 7.
Chetan is laughing.
Sorry.
No, nothing. Vivekanand, you're coming first, right?
What? Number
Okay.
between 1 to 5, 5. My birthday. 5.
5.
Number 5.
What is that? Then
Yeah.
I'm ready. No issue. I want to pick number 2.
I think first Vivekanand picked the number.
No issue, no issue. Please go ahead.
Okay, Vivekanand, choose number 5.
Yeah, but what is my topic?
I'm saying, first of all, I just confirm what number that
Yes.
you choose. Okay. So your topic is your dream vacation place in India.
Sorry, you can repeat it again.
Sorry,
please.
what? You might.
Your dream vacation place in India.
Okay.
Oh, dream vacation. Okay, I can start on it right now because
In
I think
India.
I've already. Yeah, of course, in India. I don't want to go abroad.
Don't go
Uh,
Paris.
Yeah, no, I won't because I don't like Paris. So let me start. I have already talked about it in our last conversation, a dream vacation. So it has to be somewhere in hills. Mainly Himalayan range would be great. But yeah, having said that, in southern part of India, we also have that Aravalli range. Is it Aravalli or something else? I'm not sure, but of the name. But yeah, it is. There is a very good mountain range in the southern part of India, and as we all know that since our childhood, we have been taught that India is a diverse country. So clearly, it is very diverse because the northern part of India and the southern part of India is not only diverse, different in cultural, but language-wise, food-wise, the belief that these people have in northern and southern part of India, that is entirely different. The family values, everything is different. So I want to explore that part as well. So the southernmost part of India where I have been, that is Nasik. I have not gone farther to that, but yeah, one day I want to go to Kanyakumari, and precisely the mountain. There is a small hill in middle of the ocean where I have heard from someone that Swami Vivekanand, before he went to Chicago to give his speech on Zero. Sarvdharm Sammelan was something which was hosted by United States. So before he went there, he spent a good amount of time in that area. So I definitely want to visit that place because definitely namesake. I am Vivekanand Junior and he is senior, so that is one of my destination. And another thing is Lakshadweep. It is because I have heard many people say that Andaman and Nicobar Islands are good and great. So I have never seen any island. So everybody is going Andaman, so I would like to choose and go Lakshadweep because that's very different, and so that's all. I am very much in India itself. Thank you, Chetan. Thank you, Anup and Mukesh.
Good,
Thank you.
Vivekanand, and definitely these are good places.
I
Okay,
want to
who's the
go for
next?
number two.
Ajit.
Yes, number two.
Okay, number two.
Yeah.
Okay, your first interview experience.
Sorry,
My first interview experience.
interview experience.
Your first interview experience.
Okay, okay. Give me 30 seconds to think some.
Okay.
Okay. But Chetul, you have very killer topics today, I think. That's why you were laughing while you were sharing your number of topics.
Yes.
So I'm going to start my topic. I have not remember.
You can on your camera.
Yes. I had interviewed with the with IBA Craft Management. There was a madam. So I got a call from HR from that IBA Craft company, and I just visited in the company, and HR said that for a while I'll going into the inside the company.
Ajit, louder, please.
Sorry, is my
Your voice
audio
is breaking so much.
now? It's
I
right.
think you should start again because Anup is also confused when you started. You should start it again.
So now I'm starting. I had last time I had interview with IB Craft Private Limited as for associate profile for MIS department under MIS department. And I got a call from the HR first, and when I visited in the company, I just visited in the company and just I rest in the area where the people were waiting for the interview number of interviews. So one I think the MIS department had name was Pinkush madam. Pinkush uh, came and said, "Ki are you Ajit Kumar?" Yes, I said yes. Just come with me, and uh, we both came into the room, and when after that the interview was started, and she was asking many questions like how are you fresher or not, which things are you able to sail a pen, or are you able to tell me the advantage of the Facebook and the iPhone. I had tried many things to convince her, and she was very happy that I had convinced her. And after that, she selected for me for an associate profile, and after that, I joined IB Craft as associate in MI's department. And then that was very difficult for me. Why? Because I was not able to. Earlier this, I was not able to face any kind of interview. So it was good or bad both. So thank you. This is all from my side.
Okay, thank you, Ajit. And who will go next?
I will choose number one.
Okay, good topic for you, I guess. That is
Now,
bad habit that you want to quit.
tell me again. Bad habit.
That you want to quit.
Okay. Sorry.
I think this one good for
Yes.
you.
I'll take 30 seconds because there are so many things
Sure,
coming in.
sure. You can take more.
Thank God I did not get that question.
A bad habit that we want to quit. I think this is
Okay, I will start now. Yes, the topic is very good. The bad habits which I want to quit. Actually, there are so many bad habits uh, which is in me. For example, I am not very punctual. I'm not very. I don't follow punctuation for timing where I am going anything or. But yes, if you see for these sessions, I am very punctual. This is the only one place where I am very punctual. And yes, I used to give fake commitments. There could be a number of reasons, but not fake commitments. I know how to play with fake commitments. I want to quit all these things. For example, if you will schedule my interview for Python programming, I will answer all of the questions, but I don't know anything. So I know how to play with the words, how to play with them. Uh, so this is the secret behind my current role in each and everything. But I'm learning gradually a lot of things and quitting all of these things. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Anything else, Mukesh?
No, I'm done.
Okay.
You'll
Okay, who
open
will
my
go
all
next?
of the things today only, or leave the things for rest of sessions. I think.
Actually, basically, I would say something. We all of us have a lots of bad habit, but when we think about and talk about, we need to categorize which one is very bad for us and which one is very less for us, I guess. Okay, who will go next?
Chetan, I want to choose number 5 if it is available.
No.
Okay.
It's already
so-
chosen by Vivekanand.
Okay, number 6.
Okay, your topic is privacy and social media.
That's a good topic.
Privacy and social media. Okay, I'll give 30 minutes. 30
No
seconds,
problem.
sir.
You can take 30 minutes.
So we should take break.
Okay, so privacy is very important in our life, our day-to-day routine, and social media, on the social media also. Social media is very helpful in our daily life, but it is very harmful also if we are not using the privacy. So first we need to privacy our life from social media, and yes, from social media. So if we use privacy, we can save our data, our personal lives, uh, day-to-day activities. We can save our personal relations. We can save other relations. We can save money, our also. So we always used to privacy in any terms of like on social media and banking sector in and any app that you are using in your phone. Always use privacy. Privacy is very good to us and it prevent our life also. Thank you so much.
Okay, good. Okay, good, Ranjit. Okay, next.
You have few more numbers available, right?
Yes.
Yes, please share the numbers and any one of us we will choose.
I have a 3, 7, 8.
So I will go with 7 again.
7 is your
Oh, I
lucky
got a lucky number.
Actually, okay, before giving you topic, I'm thinking, okay, your topic is ghost exist.
Ghost
What is
exist.
ghost? You say ghost? Exist.
Ghost exist.
in you.
Very killer topics, Chetan.
Ghost exist. Okay, okay.
No,
I
this
don't
is
have
ghost
such
exist
type
in
of
your life.
experience. So let me think about it.
There is someone behind you, a ghost.
Don't make me scared, bro. So I would like to share something that what experience in my past that when we talk about ghosts and spirits and everything, I mean some Dracula and the terms of Chudel, yeah,
Which
other things, etc. Which yes, correct, which the good movie. When I can say that these all are the only delusions which is in our mind, not the reality. Our mind it creates itself that there is a thing that we need to scared by that thing. This is all at the terms of when I think about it, these all are only delusions for our brain, which is created by brain. So if we think about very deeply, so there is nothing, just we are making it. So if anybody is facing the problem of ghost and other things, just face it that where is a ghost? Say your ghost that I am in front of you. Do whatever you want to do. There is no ghost will come to you and just beat you like in the movies, like in the Hollywood movies. They describe very well. So our brain adapts this that this is a reality, but this is not the reality. Uh, so people are saying that we saw the ghost. So I don't know why they are saying why they are making so false news. So they are just making just feeding your mind to that there is a ghost exists in the human life. So in my experience, I didn't see the ghost. If I see the ghost, so I think about that this created by my mind only. There is nothing any ghost comes to do. It comes to you to talk to you to play with you. There is no ghost kind of thing. If anybody is saying that a ghost is a truth, so I am saying that you need to consult by your sorry, I forget that doctor name. Uh, Sorry. Anybody come make me remember that
psychiatrist.
psychiatrist. Okay, psychiatrist. So I forgot it because I worked previously in a dental company. So I saw there they called the dentist also doctor. So I confused that time. That doctor have so many categories. So that is something I want to share with everyone. I think my time is over. Thank you so much. Yeah, that is enough from my side.
Okay, thank you, Vinay.
I think Anup, you can also choose one topic. One number is available.
And
I
now,
will-
Yes.
and now we left two number only. The first,
Chetan has got
that-
very interesting topics. I would like to choose one if it is available. You have got very, very, very interesting topics.
Okay. Okay. So I have number 3, number 8, and number 9.
Let's go with maybe 9, the last one.
9. Okay. Okay. Your topic would be your topic is textbooks versus tablet.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Textbook versus tablets. I would like to use 30 seconds. Okay, so textbook versus tablet. So I would definitely go for textbook at any day because, as I have mentioned before, I love to read a lot. And when it comes to reading, it has to be a physical book. I cannot read uh, in digital platform. Like there are PDFs available, there are Kindle available. There are so many books. There are books I could find it cheaper on on these digital platform. However, I still go for the textbook because when I'm reading something, I don't know, maybe because my mind or I am trained in such a way throughout my life that if I'm reading something, it has to be physically. Like, oh, I can open it, I can go through it, and I can flip the pages. And most importantly, I love the smell of new books. So that is something which a tablet can never give. So yeah, when it has to be a book, it has to be a book. It cannot be a tablet. So, and let me further solidify my point by downgrading the tablet. The first harmful effect is tablet. It is not only used for reading; it has many other features which can divert my attention. Second, there are harmful rays which is coming out of the electronic gadget, which can damage my eye. Although it's already damaged, but yeah, it can damage much more. Third, holding a tablet for reading it is very different experience than reading a book. So tablet is a big no-no. I think big companies should ban making tablets and make more books and make it more cheap and available for people like me who can read and join it. So that's it.
Okay, thank you, Vivekanand. But I would say something about that. If I'm saying about professional use, tablet is very useful for us. We can
Definitely.
go outside, we can use it and look at the report, whatever that, and also we can use for sending email, etc. So these work that we can easily do on tablet.
Yeah, you can do those reporting work in tablet because the books cannot be done for reporting work.
Yes,
So, yeah, but when it comes to reading a book and reading through a
but
tablet,
this is yes,
book.
this is based on the situation, I guess. It's based on the scenario, what scenario that you have.
okay.
Okay, so now we have left two number, that is 3 and 8.
Okay,
So
I will
Amit,
go for the 8.
8. Okay, okay. Uh, your topic is, if God asked you just one wish, what would it be?
Okay,
Should I repeat?
my one wish.
Yes. What would be?
Okay, let me think.
Yes, you have 30 seconds.
30 second to wish.
Okay, so now I'm ready.
Okay. You,
Okay, so if I want a chance to get a wish from God, that would be nothing, none other than is that I can do anything. So I will ask God, if you want to give me a chance to get a wish, that would be I can do anything, whatever I want to do in my life, that I can do. That would be like I want to be healthy, wealthy, or wise, or that's and I will do also for I will do also for my country as well. So like I want to get the rid of poverty in my city and state or the whole India, and want to do increase economy and try to do spread love and peace in the whole world. That would be one of my wish. And yes, I will try to do something great in my life that would be for all other people. Like they, if I can do anything, that I will do for everyone, so they can do also cover their wish in their life, whatever they want. So that's enough.
okay.
Okay, Anu. But there are lots of wish that you
Yeah,
asking for God.
the smartest way is to ask for three more wish, and then on the third wish, ask for three more
Yes.
wish.
In multiplication. 3 into
No,
3 into 3.
no, that's I already chosen. I asked for the I can do anything. So if I can do anything, that is include all the things, na?
Yes, smartly playing.
That's also right.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, so I also choose one topic, I guess.
One topic is left.
Yes.
Okay, which number?
3.
Okay, I will go with 3 number.
I think Chetan should have try at least one number also.
Okay,
We
Chetan,
already took
you can go with this topic.
3 or 8, right?
8.
I think Chetan, you can go with 8.
Yes, yes.
Okay, my topic is relaxation technique.
Oh,
Ooh.
this is, I think, your one of the favorite topic, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so and I don't think so. I need to think about. Okay, so when I'm at home, so if I'm feeling any, if I feel tired anyway, anytime, so I try to lie down on bed and take a nap for 30 minutes or 1 hour, or it usually it exceed for 1 hour or more than 1 hour, and also I call to my friend whosoever free at that time, and chat with my office colleague and my friend, and surfing internet and watching television, or basically look at the YouTube video, comic video, or any uh, which is that is related to politics video, because it is also include lots of comedy. And if I was in office, so definitely I go with my colleague for a break, a tea break especially. So Mukesh knows I always always go with him. So this is the relax, and also some imagine some most of the time I imagine something which is funny, and talk about with our friend. So this is my relaxation technique. That's it.
Thank you, Chetan.
Perfect, perfect. So now I guess we are done
Okay.
for the with all the topics, and
Yes.
everybody has spoken their mind. Thank you everyone for their active participation. So without wasting time, let's quickly move on to the next thing, which is grammarian, and then followed by evaluation. So Vinay is our grammarian today. So Vinay, can you please share where did we go wrong and what are the areas of improvement? You are on mute, Vinay, the ghost.
So after this all the conversation, I gone through that and I have got that. I am talking about one on one. First, we will start with Vivek. Vivek, your voice and your speech is very balanced and describe in time firstly, and you are using your words very correctly and using your sentence very correctly, and also utilize your time. If there is some time limit, so you are doing very great. So what I found is it was great. I didn't find anything wrong in your speech. Now come on to Ranjit. Then Ranjit, you should take your time to think about your topic, because when we didn't utilize our time to think, so our speech like flowing is not, it's not better than what you want to say, and you should use also some helping words to make your sentence. And now we talk about Ajit. Uh, Ajit, first he introduced himself, sorry, and he didn't describe his uh, introduction very well. He should add in this his introduction that some hobbies, some skills, some professional skills, so that we can understand, we will know about him very well. So then come on to Mukesh topic. Mukesh, first we talk about your introduction. It is good, but it is all about your experience. So I think that you didn't prepare I mean, you didn't prepare your introduction. You just come here and just spoke about it, because it's kind of little unmanaged, but it was great. If you're describing yourself, so we are really connecting by you, and we found that you have very big wishes, and you will achieve that because you have a grace, and you are managing your time. You are very punctual, you said that, and we are also saying that you are very punctual. So it was good, but you have to manage, I mean, you have to prepare your speeches so that you can present it very well, in a very well manner. So this is something. And now come on to Chetan. Always Chetan is a champ. Chetan is good, and he stayed very well. But sometimes Chetan, you have to learn utilize your time, your speech time, and it was good for me. And now come on to Anup. Anup. Again, you have to take your time to think about your topic, and also you have to improve your helping verb and some vocabulary. Like me, I don't have also a bunch of vocabulary. So now again coming on to Ajit's topic, he used sometime madam instead of interviewer, so he can use some like attractive word that interviewer instead of madam or sir. And also he is very confused in him or her. If he is talking about a female person, so she know that, I mean, he know that about that he used to use her or she all the time. So he should learn about this thing. And again, Mukesh, your second topic is also good, but take your time to think about it. This is something what I have thought. Thank you. Sorry for today, because today I am a little tired and I am not in a very good mood. Sorry for today, and okay, it is good for me. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you, Vinay. I'm not sure what we can do to entertain you and get you out of that bad mood, but yeah.
No need to do, bro. No need to do. Actually, I'm little tired. I just coming by some place, so that.
Actually, there is a ghost inside. So
Yeah,
this is very good.
You should consult your psychiatrist.
But still, you managed to come on time in this meeting. Thank you so much for your efforts. I really appreciate that.
My
So
pleasure,
moving,
bro. My pleasure. Yes.
thank you. So before we move to Mukesh, I would like to quickly introduce Ranjit because he was the filler counter. So Ranjit, can you quickly tell us about the filler counters?
Yes, guys. I have something to share with you. I am presenting my screen.
2 to 4 minutes you have, Ranjit, to share your
Yes.
thoughts.
Only he is a professional person. He always uses his laptop.
Can you see my screen, guys? Yes. So, guys, there is first speech and prepare speech and second speech. These are table topics and total filler counters. Word that.
Not a little. So I am asking by you all, but we can use to instead of and other things. So what we can use to connect the sentence.
Less use of these words are good for us. We don't use.
But try to be
Not a
pause
little
for, take a pause for one or two.
These
So
are
I
the
am
major-
asking by you all, but we can use to instead of and other things. So what we can use
I
to
think-
connect the sentence.
Less use of these words are good for us.
You need some time to think about.
We don't use.
But try to be pause for or take a pause for 1 or 2 seconds.
Conversation, so
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes, correct.
yes.
Okay.
So, see,
Good practice.
you cannot avoid using those fillers, those uhs, and you have to use it because you need some time to think about it and then choose the right word to say it and then connect it with our previous conversation. So you have to, you will use it. Now the point is how wisely you use it, that the other person don't understand that okay, there is some lack of idea, lack of thought. So that should not be there. But yeah, you
Correct,
can
correct.
definitely. And as Ranjit highlighted, that most of the time the filler which we are using is so
Yes.
we are not using like just like there are things, so there are fillers which
Like,
can be used
okay.
yeah, which people use often use so these are the fillers which we are not using. So
Yes, yes,
we are
Thank
limited
you
to
so much,
one thing, and that
Vivekanand.
is something which we can work on,
I'm the
yes,
valedictor
rather we
sure.
for
can
today's
utilize
session.
it.
Yes,
We can use
Moving on
these
to
fillers, but
MOD,
not for a long
Vivekanand.
time.
So
Always
Yes,
Vivekanand
try to
played very
do
well
this for
today,
short time.
and yes, with
correct.
very good
So
topic,
moving on
Okay,
very
to
good
over to
theme,
you.
I
Mukesh.
would say, which is TV addiction benefits, and everyone participated against the same, and very well managed by MOD again, I would say, and within the time, within time limit, he managed to complete the free conversation, freestyle conversation, and also very good content shared by you, as you shared in it could be either in your table topic or your freestyle conversation. And yes, now we are able to know your what is your favorite destination in India, as you love to go Aravali and that kind of places. Yes, that is good. And I don't see anything, as you are a champ, even it could be anything, if you talk about grammar or evaluation. So I learned a lot from you, and I want to implement these things in my style also, so that will impact a lot. Okay, moving to Ajit. So Ajit, he was firstly I would share his commendations, then recommendations, which is area of improvement. So commendations are, he was very good. I mean, with good contents in his speech, and he was quietly very good, confident. He was confident, I would say. Uh, he was not nervous. Even I was nervous. I think I was not nervous. I was not prepared, as Vinay Kaushik said. He was prepared, as it was a prepared speech, and he shared his good contents, and also he followed his time limit. Within, I think, 4 to 5 minutes he completed his speech, which is very good. He qualified his first icebreaker speech. One or two recommendations. First, there was a distraction while he was presenting his speech, Ajit. I think he was distracting, doing some different kind of conversation with his family, I think. So I would say, while we are in this small session, so please take care of that, so that it will not distract your speech, as well as others. I mean, other will not be distracted, as they're playing different roles. It could be timer, grammarian, evaluator, anyone. Anup, first, Anup, I would say you will have to pay a big penalty, as you joined late. I was already, I already enrolled myself for two roles. One was evaluator, and second was prepared speech. And yes, I accept I did not prepare it. If I could prepare it, I think I could get a good result. I could share it in a better way with my views or my introduction, everything. But from next time, I will take care of it. And Anup, I think if you guys are agree, please let me know if this could be a good punishment for him. So you will have to share at least 7 new words till tomorrow within the group. New words, okay, so that we can
With the
use.
meaning and the uses.
Yes, yes. The same thing I was saying, but I was not getting the exact word. Yes, meaning and uses along with new word. New word which we very rarely use, but we can use. For example, deliberate. I learned today deliberate, a new word. So you can find 7 new
With
words,
the meaning and the uses.
and you can share in group with their meanings. This is your penalty, Anup, for today. Okay, and also
Sure.
please decide penalty for me. if there is any from you guys, I will manage it to do. Okay. Then coming up to Chetan, topic master. He played very well as he's with very killer topics today, right,
Sure, sure, sure.
Chetan? And he prepared. I think that is a good thing. He prepared a lot, and he took a good amount of time to prepare his role. And so it proves that even if it is small role or mini role playing thing, there also here also we can add so many creative ideas and things, as we already spoke about many killer topics. Favorite destination, ghost exists, and mine was what things you want to quit, and lots so on. Okay, so yes, good content, Chetan, again. But also I will recommend you one thing. I always I have seen in your speech, also, instead of also you can use also, and gradually we will share more by realizing whatever we are doing in correct way. And Ajit in table topic, yes, it was good. He's already good in good confidence now, so he's sharing his view. But he was a little bit confused about the gender, as Vinay Kaushik shared. He was confused about him or her, and also instead of ma'am, can use interviewer, or instead of madam you can use ma'am. Madam, it looks like we are using this word in a factory. Madam, please come here. So instead of madam, you can use ma'am or interviewer. So this is the
Easily
recommendation.
we can use the HR for that.
Yes, yes, that's a good catch, Anup. Thank you. Instead of that, he can also use the HR. So it also includes male or female both. So if you are confused about him or her, you can use simply the HR called me and then she asked me a
Or
few
easily we
questions,
can use HR
or
for
the
that.
HR asked me a few questions. Ranjit, yes, pretty enough with your content, and you provided good thoughts about social media and great content. But I think I can see your energy is a little bit low today. As Vinay said, he is very tired, but you are not looking tired. I think Ranjit is looking tired today. I think you did not sleep completely last night. Not sure. It could be any other reason also. So, okay, it happens naturally because we are in middle day time, so it happens. Okay, now moving to Vinay. And thank you so much, Vinay. Now this time you did not hide anything from for me, as I was expecting to get good feedback, and yes, you provided me a good feedback, and I will work upon it, so that from the next session or next meetings I will be able to do things in a correct way with good presentation, as with good contents. Now moving to, okay, in table topic again, textbooks versus tablets. Yes, Vivekanand, you shared a good thought. And because tablets cannot replace books. Book is a book. That's a good thing. And Vinay, again, I will say thank you so much for the entire session's feedback, as you have noticed today, very well played by you. That's it from me. And lastly, I'll thank you so much to Vinay, sorry, Vivekanand. Yes, yes, yeah. As you initiated and nominated yourself for this role, the MOD Man of Steel. And one commendation for you, if you could have shared the PPT, because sometimes if there are new users, might be there will be some voice distraction, so they can see the names and they can note the names. So if there is any problem with if you're joining with mobile, then you can also ask anyone, or even me. I will share the PPT and you can ask, please move to next slide, then we can according to that. So this is the one thing only I found. Okay, so I think we all are good. Timer, sorry. We have timer in I always forget after me what is next. I think it's completed, but now we have timer record also. Anup, you can use 2 to 4 minutes and then we can complete our session. Thank you. Over to Anup. Have you noticed my time? How much time I've utilized for my feedback?
Yes, I have noticed. So first we'll go with the prepared speech. Ajit has taken around 4 minutes 11 seconds, and after that Mukesh has taken around 5 minutes 20 seconds. So good utilization for the time. For the
Otherwise,
both.
it's disqualification for me.
So first we'll go with the prepared speech. Ajit has taken around 4 minutes 11 seconds, and after that Mukesh has taken around 5 minutes 20 seconds. So good utilization for the time for the both. After that Ajit, he has taken around 1 minute 45 no issue. Your penalty would be when we will get together. You have to give treat to us. 17 seconds. Ranjit, 1 minute 8 seconds. Okay, let's move on the table topic. The first one was Vivek. He has took around 2 minutes 10 seconds. And after that Ajit, he has taken around 1 minute 45 seconds. Then Mukesh, he has taken 1 minute 17 seconds. Ranjit, 1 minute 8 seconds. Vinay, 2 minutes 5 seconds. Vivekanand, 1 minute 50 seconds. Anu, 1 minute 34 seconds. Chetan, 1 minute 42 seconds. Okay. So one of my suggestion is at least we have to use around at least 2 minutes.
Yes, and I think 10 seconds
Most
we
of the
can
people today
take as a
I
grace.
guess
That will
within
not be disqualification.
within 1 minute and 1
That will
minute
not be a
30 seconds.
disqualification. And you
Only
are
two
also
people
within
used
time. That's great.
proper 2 minutes.
Okay.
Vivek and
Thank you,
Vinay.
Anu, and thank you,
So
Mukesh.
at
Yes,
least
I agree.
we have to speak at
to
least
speak
2
for
minutes full.
utilize our time, initial 30 seconds, and then when we have got 2 minutes, we'll have to utilize that 2 minutes. It's like nobody is
Yes.
going to judge us, nobody is going to punish us. It's like an in-house thing, and
Sure.
this is for each one of us. Thank you, Anu, and thank you, Mukesh. Yes, I agree. We have to speak for like utilize our time, initial 30 seconds, and then when we have got 2 minutes, we'll have to utilize that 2 minutes. It's like nobody is going to judge us, nobody is going to punish us. It's like an in-house
Yes,
thing,
yes.
and we are. This is for each one of us. So it will only improve when we will speak. So we'll have to speak. So speaking of which, we are 6 minutes before more than the time. So let's quickly wrap it up. I guess we have covered almost everyone and everything. So from for the next session,
For me,
we
it's
would
okay.
like everyone can send their nominations in the chat.
Then,
And
Vivekanand,
thank
I
you
think
each
then
one of
we
you
can do
for
one thing.
joining us today.
Guys, I said that the 3 o'clock time will be
Chetan was
okay
also
with
asking.
everyone. So if we all are agree, 3 o'clock.
For me, it's okay.
For me also.
Thanks for
No
coming.
issue.
It's okay for
Because
me
this
as
is
well.
the platform we can talk to each other directly. So I asked here. 3 p.m. is okay for everyone.
Yes.
Yes, no issue.
Please that.
Yeah, Anup and Chetan.
I'm okay with it.
Okay, no issue.
We can do it 3
From next
p.m.
week.
every
Absolutely, I
Actually,
think
one thing which I want to say, actually one quick idea came in my mind which I want to share with you. Can we
Yeah, sure.
play 2 minute game for making a story? For example, suppose if I say anything in a one sentence, and the next it move to next person, and then he has to complete it with the one sentence. So after 3 or 5 sentence,
Okay.
it will
I
become a
walked
story.
at 8 a.m. in the morning, and I saw many people were going around the path.
For example, I say
And now
it's
I
my
will
turn
move to
first.
that-
I'm
that-
first.
that
I
way you
say
do it.
I walk at 8 o'clock in morning. Okay. So now move to Mukesh. Mukesh say something and add on something.
I saw there are lots of people
One
doing
sentence.
their workouts like exercise and running.
Okay. Only one sentence. Okay. And then next move to Anu.
After that,
Say something.
And I saw there are lots of people doing their workouts like exercise and running.
Okay. Now move to Vivekanand.
Pulled up my blanket. Okay, so I woke up at 8 in the morning. I saw
No,
many people.
no. I'm sorry.
That was-
Sorry.
Continue the
Not
story.
creating. Yes.
Okay.
You have to go forward.
Oh, okay, all right. So last was Anoop saying he saw people doing exercise.
Yes,
Okay.
that could
So
be
what I
the
did,
situation.
I pulled up my blanket and slept again. It's 8 in the morning. Come on.
we have to create a story.
It is a story. I slept again and then I started
Okay,
dreaming.
now okay. Now move to Ranjit. Now you are in dreaming,
I was
Ranjit.
thinking to wake up.
You can also wake up again.
Woke up
I
around
want
9
to
o'clock.
wake up.
No,
Ranjit said as
create a
Ranjit
story.
wakes up in the morning 8 a.m. He saw
Okay, next
people were doing exercise and he
Vinay,
slept again.
move to
8 o'clock. I was thinking to wake up. Wake up 8 o'clock. Woke up around 9 o'clock. So this is
Okay,
Now
I
I
think
understood the idea. I like it. But
Okay.
yes, again, we can definitely do that. But two things we have to keep it in mind first. We will have this
Okay,
cannot be done from the
Correctly.
next session. Unfortunately,
Okay,
I'm
so
not sure about Mukesh,
getting
but personally, I
my
feel
thought,
it cannot be done from the
what
next
is an
session
idea?
because of two reasons.
Nice,
Yes,
nice.
yes.
So
Now I
this
understood the idea. I
Yes.
like it.
Yes,
But yes,
this
again, we can definitely do that. But two things we have to keep it in mind. First,
Yes, yes.
we will have this cannot be done from the next session. Unfortunately, I'm not sure about Mukesh, but personally, I feel it cannot be done from the next session because of two reasons. First, the time constraint,
Exactly.
because
That's
we
a
are
good
we
idea.
can think about it, and
beating
we
the
can also
time
think
clock all
about
the
to
time,
set the time
and
around
in every
2 hours,
session we are exceeding the
session.
time.
If
So
we all
yeah,
are
we will
okay.
have to stick to the time thing. And second, I'm
Yes,
not
we can
everyone
make
is
it
comfortable
gradually.
speaking right now. So yes, we can do it, but after 2 or 3 more sessions,
Yes,
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 we can
Ankit,
definitely
as you
put
said,
it in
we
place.
can
I'm agree.
utilize this
We can think about
types
it,
of
and
activity
we
and
can also
activity in
think
our
about to
freestyle
set the
conversation.
time around 2 hours
As we have 15 to
session.
20 minutes.
If we all are
So I think
okay,
that will also save our
we
time
can
and
do it also.
But I
we'll
guess
have
this
something
is
to fill
a
up
good.
our
But I guess this is a
activities
good
around.
thing that we can implement in
Okay,
future
guys, then
in
I
our
think
session.
Yes.
we exceeded 11 minutes today.
Yes, we have 11 minutes above the time. So yeah, I would like to wrap it up by saying, for
Okay,
me, the start of the show today
Yes,
was
yes.
Chetan, definitely
Yes.
for all these
Good idea.
brilliant topics. Unfortunately, I did not got the favorite one, which
Yes.
I found that other people are getting it. But
Alright,
yes,
so
nevertheless, it was
yes,
good.
we
And
have
let everybody
11
share
minutes
their
above
points.
the time. So yeah, I would like to wrap it up by saying, for me, the start of the show today was Chetan, definitely, for all these brilliant topics.
Thanks everyone.
Unfortunately, I did not got the favorite
Bye.
one,
Have a nice
which
day.
I found that other
See you.
people are getting it. But yes, nevertheless, it was good, and it let everyone